parents, let's get outside and have some fun with our kids. Today we're going to do a lightsaber battle and Nerf gun battle. First one with 5 shots with the Nerf gun gets to pick up the lightsaber. First one with the body strike with the lightsaber wins the game today. Are you ready? You ready to do this?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. All right, get in position. I'll let you call it out when we start. Get your position. I'm going to be back here. You pick yours out and you call it out when we start.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Go, 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 go. Get the lightsaber gun. Here we go. First one to 5 shots wins. Then you get the lightsaber. All right. I'm locked and loaded.
Oh no.
You're not?
Yeah.
Oh, miss.
Gimme.
I missed. 0-0. All right. 0-0.
I don't win.
No, you're not going to get me. Oh, that's one shot for Mark. Oh, missed that. Oh, that's 2. Oh, 1 for me, 2 for Mark. Oh, 3 for Mark, 2 for that. All right. 3-2. 3-2. No way you're beating me. No way. No way. Oh, that's 4. Oh, 3 out of 5. Okay, get the lightsaber. Get a lightsaber. Which way you gonna pick? All right. Kylo Ren versus Luke Skywalker. Oh! Man. All right. Is that fun?